Hey there. So here's a question, let's look at it. There's a circle, of course, and there's a chord AB in that circle. And that chord is not just any chord, it divides the radius drawn perpendicular to it in the ratio 5:2. Okay, now if we can have that in two possible ways, where the 5:2 is in either this way or this way. We don't know which of it is, but let's uncover more information. The diameter is 14 centimeters, which means that the radius here will be 7 centimeters, right? So radius will be diameter by 2, 7 centimeters. Okay, great. Now these 5x, 2x, all of this will just become 5 and 2. So that's just, let's just put it down here. This is 2, this is 5, the x is gone, and same here, this is just 2. Great. Now we need to find the length of the chord. Now that's not the objective here. The length of the chord is given to be x root 6 centimeters, and we know that the chord is shorter than 10 centimeters. Let's use both of these informations, and we need to find the value of x. Great. So to be on the safer side, we'll just find the length of both of these chords. Now we know that whenever we draw a radius perpendicular to the chord, it's going to bisect the chord. So these two are going to be equal. These two are going to be equal. Of course, they are of different lengths because of their different distances from the center. Let's just calculate their lengths. So if we start with the bigger chord here, this one is going to be 7. This one is 2. Let's just call it A. Okay. Now by Pythagoras theorem, I can write a square plus 2 square is 7 square. 2 square is a simple 4, and 7 square is a simple 49. Okay. I'll take this plus 4 over to this side, so this will become 49 minus 4, which is a simple 45. So a square is 45 and a will be square root of 45, just right. And the length of the chord is 2a, so 2a will be 2 times square root of 45, and that is 2 into root 5 into 9, that is square root of 9, sorry, that will be 6 root 5. Now is this less than 10 centimeters? Let's see, square root of 5 is approximately 2.23, I guess, and 6 multiplied by 2, okay, this is 6 multiplied by 2.23 is definitely greater than 12, so it's definitely greater than 10 centimeters. So this is not the chord we are looking for. Now if we connect this one to here and call this length b, this is again 7, this is 5, we can say that b square plus 5 square is again 7 square. So b square and 5 square is 25, 7 square is again 49. Again 25 will go over to this side to become minus 25. Nothing will remain here but b square. So b square is 49 minus 25, which is a simple 24. And now b will be the square root of 24. So 24 can also be written as 6 times 4, and the square root of 4 is 2, so that will come out as 2 here. So what will remain is 2 root 6. Now the length required is 2 times b, because this will also be b. So 2 times b is 4 root 6. Now is this lesser than 10? Let's see, root 6 is approximately 2.4 or something, and 4 times this is 9.6. So 4 times this is 9.6. So yeah, this is lesser than 10 centimeters, which is great. Now the length of the chord is x root 6. So x root 6 is 4 root 6, and we can cancel out the root 6 from both sides to say that x is 4. Now that is the answer to this question.